Hi everybody, this is Pratt. We're doing an unboxing on Dell Inspiron 14-inch 5000 series 2-in-1. Let's unbox it. We got the AC adapter, power plug, okay, we got the laptop. Okay, so we have Inspiron 14-inch 5000 series 2-in-1. It just looks like small user guide. Yeah. And the warranty. So Dell Inspiron, is it a good laptop? You guys leave a comment below in the description and tell me if it's a good or not. Okay, just gonna put it down. All right, I don't know. Looks so nice. So here you go, guys. Wow. The low end is i3, the mid range is i5, and then the high end is the i7. So I went with the mid range. It cost me about almost close to $750, even though with all the discount they had. I purchased directly through Dell.ca. The one I chose with the i5, 8 gig RAM, the 256 PCIe M.2 solid state drive. Yeah, that's all I need. It could, like, you could fold it and use it like a tablet. Yeah. The webcam has a shutter, so you don't need to put a tape or anything like that. I've seen a lot of people, you know, for privacy reason, they use tape to cover the webcam. So this one has a built-in shutter, so it doesn't, you don't have to do anything. Really like about this one is the Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi 6, it's which is the newer technology. The power button have your fingerprint. So the display is FHD display. So the battery that I got is a 3-cell 40 watt-hour, and it's built into it. So if you want to take it out, you have to take out all the screws. Yeah, it's nice to replace the battery, because I was able to replace the battery on my old laptop after almost 5 years. The battery was good. Just recently started losing the battery life, so I end up having the charger plugged in all the time. That causes the problem. That's why I end up getting a new laptop, but the old one still works. I was right away, cleaned the laptop, I removed the battery, replaced it with a newer one, and the weight of this, it's 3.39 pounds. Yeah, it is a little bit heavy, but it's okay, it's alright. So we'll look at this side first. We got the lock, like in case if you're if you're in a coffee shop or somewhere, you want to lock your laptop to the desk or something, you still have that lock. You got the audio jack, so this is 2-in-1. The audio jack also has input for your mic. So let's say you have a headset which has a mic on it, then it will accommodate your mic, and it's a full headset. You got the 3.0 type A USB, and you have the SD card slot, and on this side you got the power and HDMI, and another another USB 3.0 type A. So this type C, it has multifunction. That's a good feature. So let's say if you have a display that need power, it could transmit power and all that, or you could transfer data and all that too. So that's what, when I was going through the specification, that's something people will like it. One other thing I want to talk about is the Dell Mobile Connect. It's a feature, it's something new. It catches my eye when I was researching on this laptop. The new feature that the software gives you, pretty much when you get a message on your phone, you get a message on your screen on the laptop. So again, you have to pair using the Dell Mobile Connect. That application, you will need to install it on your Android or on your iOS. You could access your phone, your SMS messages, or if you're using WhatsApp or any other instant messenger, it will pop up on your laptop while you're working on it. You will have access to your music, your video, pictures, all that. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay. I'm just setting up the laptop. Okay, let's go in. Just agreeing to all the license. So it's asking for the fingerprint to sign in. I'm not going to use the fingerprint because this laptop will be used within the family, so I'm just going to skip for now. keypad looks nice. It has a backlit. That's another thing I want to point out. The backlit is nice as well, because I have two other laptops I have it for work which does not have a backlit, so when I'm working in the dark it's hard to see this the keys. Almost done setting up, so just bear with me. The screen looks really nice. Trackpad, it's, I don't know, I think I need to get used to the trackpad. I'm just trying to the other thing I got is the Windows 10 Home Edition. If I were to go with the professional, it was costing me $100 extra, so I just ignored it. I didn't want it to, because obviously I'm using it for home, so why would I get the professional one, spend the extra $100? I could save it, you know. Okay guys, so if you guys really like this review, please give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions about it, just you know, put it on my description. I will try to answer your questions. Thanks for tuning in, and see you guys on another unboxing. Peace out.